Hi students, today I am going to discuss trick to name coordination compounds containing Bridget ligands. These questions are very important regarding IIT, JEE and CET exams. See, there are 5 types of Bridget ligands coordination complexes are there. This is the first case one, and if you move to this is the second case and third case and fourth case and last finally fifth case. If you know these 5 cases, you can solve very easily to name these type of ligands, nothing but a Bridget ligands. We will discuss one by one. Case 1, the ligands is at the center, two different groups is attached on either side, means left and right side. See, this is the X and this is the Y. Both X and Y are different groups which are bridged to a ligand at the center. This can be written as ligand in the middle and the group Y on the right side and the group X on the left side. When you go to the second case, see, the ligand is at the center. Both the similar groups is attached on either sides. See, this group is also same and this group is also same. Hence, I will take on ligand is at the center and X and X. Why? Because I will take X and X means because both the groups which are attached or bridged to a ligand is same. Say ligand L, X, X. When go to the third case, in the third case, the ligands and both the groups are different. See, ligand, there are two ligands is there, L1 and L2. Both the ligands are not same and the groups are also not same. Hence, L1, L2, left side is X and right side is Y. This is the third case and move to the fourth case. In the fourth case, see, the groups are same on either side but ligands are different. Ligands are different, groups are same. Hence, L1, L2, X, X. This is the fourth case and final case, nothing but a fifth case. If you say that one, groups also same, ligands also same. See, the ligands at the center, okay, both the ligands are same, hence I will consider as LL. I won't name L1 and L2. Why? Because both the ligands are same and both the attached groups are also same. This is the fifth case. It can be written as L, L, X and this side, left side also X. Why? Because both the groups are same. Come to case number 1. If two different groups are attached to a ligand, then you can name in such a way that first you can name the left side group. First name X. X means left side group. First name X followed by ligand name. The bridged ligand can be written as bridged symbol is mu. The mu indicates this is the bridge to the ligand and ligand name. Next is the group Y. Group name of the group Y. Group Y name. You can follow if two different groups is bridged to a ligand. First you can name the group of X and followed by the ligand name which is mu indicates the bridged and group Y. When come to case number 2, if both the groups are same, ligand is bridged at the center, then you can write first the name of the ligand. First you can name ligand. First you can write the name of ligand name. Then you can write, okay, how many same groups are there? Two same groups are there. That is, you can write bis. If two groups are there same, bis. Because these ligands are bridged to a ligand, then you can use the symbol. Then write the name of the groups. Sorry, you can write ligand name, that is mu, not this. See, when come to third case, here both the ligands are so different and groups are also different. it will come similar to that of first case. Similar to that of first case. Then how to write the name is, first you can write the name of groups. You can write first name of ligand X, name of group X, name of group X, then mu which indicates the bridged ligand name 1, ligand 1 name, then grouped continuation mu ligand name 2, ligand name 2, and finally group name Y, means Y group. How to write means name of the group X, then you can write the group ligand 1 name, mu indicates the bridged ligand, and ligand 2 name, that is a mu, and finally you can write the group name Y. If you are get confused, L1 and L2, which we can write first means you can go through the alphabetical order. Once who can come to know that one naming first. When come to fourth case, it is just similar to that of second case. See here, ligands are different but groups are same. In this case, what you are going to do means first name of the ligand, first ligand, and name of the second ligand, where mu it is common because it is a bridged, it indicates, and groups are same. If both the groups are same, you can use BIS, group of X name. When come to last case, here the ligands are also same and groups are also same. At that time you can mention, okay, first you can write the name of the ligand. In this case you are already seen, you can write the name of the ligand, that is di. Why? Because there are two ligands are same, so that's why I will use di. Mu indicates the bridged and name of the ligand. Then you can follow two groups are same. If two groups are same, you can use the word BIS and the group name of X. Yes, according to the law of case 1, we can name the, for example, this example we can name first name of X. You can write, this is how many, this one is there, 4 OH group is there. Then you can write tetra hydroxido, OH we can call as hydroxido. It is a copper is there, you can write the name copper. You can bracket, you can open, it indicates the valency. Then you can follow the mu, you can write. Why? Because then we can write the ligand name. Ligand is OH is there, you can write hydroxido. Also you can write hydroxido. Then you can write, there are 4 water groups are there. Then Y group name you can write tetra aquido you can write, or aqua you can write, no problem. Tetra aquido. Cobalt you can write here, open a bracket, and that is outside the coordination complexes there is a chlorine group is there. You can write outside is there, you can write chloride. If it is inside it is there, then you can write the chlorine is chlorido. It is outside the sphere, you can write the chloro. Now you are going to add a valency of the metal of the coordination complexes. How to calculate? I will tell you very easy. See, the hydroxy is valency is -1, and this hydroxy ligand is -1, and chlorine is -1. Hence there are 4 valence hydroxyl group is there. Then you can multiply 4 into -1, -4, and only one hydroxyl group is there, -1, and here there is a 3 chlorine is there, that is 3 into -1 is -3. Then you can summate, it becomes a -8. If you go to the right side, it will comes to a +8. Then how many metals are there? There are 2 metals are there. This you can +8. divided by 2 you can do, you are getting a valency is 4. Yes, each valency of this is 4 and another valency of cobalt is also 4. Means you can write in a Roman letter instead of this letter you can use. You can don't write like this, you can use these 4. Then tetrahydroxido, copper 4, mu, hydroxido, tetraaquido, or also you can write aqua, cobalt 4 chloride is the naming. When come to second case, similarly, if the groups are same and the ligand is bridged at the center, then you can write the name, first ligand name, that mu you can use prefix. Why? Because it indicates a bridged. If two groups are same, then you can use bis. Don't use mu here for the groups. See, then you can write according to that rule. Okay, you can write mu hydroxido ligand and bis, because two groups we are written bis. This is, there is a 4 water molecules are there. You can write tetra aqua or you can write tetra aquido. That is a metal is, we are using copper. Because we are using copper, you can write the name is copper, not nickel. Sorry students, you can write copper. How much is there? You can left the valency. Then how to calculate? I will explain already in previous. Now you can calculate the valency. For water, the valency is 0, it's a neutral, and hydroxyl is -1. Here also water is there, it is a 0, and chlorine is there, there is a -1 valency. There are 3 chlorines is there, -3. Then it becomes -1, -3, it becomes a 4. If it comes this side -4, it comes right side, it becomes a +4. That is how many metals are there? There are 2 copper metals are there, hence you can divide by 2 you can do. Then each valency comes 2. Then you can write copper 2. This is, then you can write the name is mu hydroxido bis. There are 2 groups are there. Tetra aqua, copper 2 chloride. It outside the sphere chlorine is there. You can ends with the name chloride.